Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Enable virtualization in BIOS and decide between Hyper-V and WSL2 because Docker needs a Linux kernel backend. Once done, download Docker Desktop for Windows and run the installer as administrator. This ensures services register correctly. Make sure to select the WSL2 option when prompted if your build supports it, because WSL2 gives better file I/O and compatibility. Finally, sign into your Docker Hub account so image pulls and rate limiting are handled immediately. Now you proceed with installation and configuration. Install Docker Desktop and accept prompts to enable required Windows features. Restart if the installer requests it because the kernel integration needs a clean boot. Next, open Settings and tune resources. Assign CPUs, memory, and disk based on your workload to avoid slowdowns. Then integrate with WSL2 by enabling access to your Linux distros and installing Docker CLI tools inside the distro so you can run Docker commands natively. This reduces. Finally, validate the setup by running Docker run Hello World and then launch a real image like Nginx or Alpine to confirm networking and volumes work. When you map ports or mount volumes, prefer named volumes for persistent storage and watch file permissions between Windows and WSL2. If containers fail to access the network or Docker commands timeout, check the Windows firewall and the WSL2 virtual network adapter. Restarting Docker Desktop and your WSL distro often resolves transient issues. Keep logs handy for deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.